Hey, what's up, Ecomi holders? So this is the live price prediction of Ecomi, my friends. What's off in the week is of coming days, my friends. They're moving up or they fails down, and this time you can see here the current condition is going very good, my friends. 4.18% they're moving up, but definitely, my friend, in the start of month, every cryptocurrency falls down. So therefore, the Ecomi is also falls down. So why they falls down? Everything this in this video with details, so kindly don't skip any second of this video. Try to understand something new. All right, so please, before I start the video, I request you to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification, because ABS Tech channel is guide you every time if you are a new holder. So my friend, this time you can see here the last 1 day chart is on the screen, and you can see here this time the last 24-hour chart change occur. Absolutely, my friends, this chart they change occur is in positive, and there is one big reason, my friends, to they starting positive and the change occur as in positive, and the big reason is that, my friends, so this is started now the second week of this month. Absolutely, and the first week, the start of month, so therefore they after a second, after a first week, my friends, they're moving up. But definitely, my friends, you can see here every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. To after a failures they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here every cryptocurrency circulation. After a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So definitely this time they also fails down, but this remember to this is short fail. After this fails they also take a good jump. So the good time is coming soon, Ecomi holder. Please try to understand, this is live current. You can see your current update also. 0053 US dollar is the latest price of Ecomi, my friend. And if you can see here the speed of Ecomi, my friend, so the Ecomi speed, if you can see, check out this time, they when they take a jump, then absolutely they cross it, my friends, the resistance line. And if they cross the resistance line, so definitely they are in the profit, my friend. Every cryptocurrency is which moving at this speed, definitely, my friend, you can see here 6% is not a small change occur, my friend. 6.68% they're moving up. So I think this is also one of the viral coin in this time in the market cap. So my friends, kindly hold it if you are if you have any idea, if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is very good time, my friends, for you to invest in Ecomi. So thanks for watching. Please invest, hold it, and wait for a good time. And remember this is just I just advise you, my friends, so kindly please research personally. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.